Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from BizBuilders, and if you want to start an LLC in Delaware in 2026 without hiring an expensive lawyer, this is definitely for you. I'm going to show you the actual step-by-step process to get your LLC in Delaware up and running fast. So here's the thing, you have two options. Option 1. Spend weeks navigating Delaware's Division of Corporations website, filing paperwork, writing operating agreements, getting your EIN, finding a registered agent, and, well, hoping you don't mess something up. Or option 2, let professionals handle everything while you focus on, actually building your business. Now, I tried the DIY route once in Delaware. Big mistake. Between understanding Delaware's specific requirements, the $90 filing fee, finding a proper registered agent with a Delaware address, and spending countless hours on government websites, I wasted 3 months and still had to pay someone to fix my mistakes. So yeah, not fun. Here's what you actually need to start a Delaware LLC quickly. First, your business name. Have a primary choice and a backup that's available in Delaware. Second, get a registered agent with a Delaware street address. This person receives legal documents for your LLC. Third, file your Certificate of Formation with Delaware's Division of Corporations. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS. Fifth, consider getting a Delaware business license if needed. And sixth, open a business bank account. Now, this sounds simple, but Delaware has its own quirks. The state requires annual franchise tax reports, has specific naming requirements, and the processing times can vary. One mistake can delay everything by weeks. That's why I recommend Taylor Brands. Look, they handle everything. Delaware registered agent, filing with the state, EIN, operating agreement, even help with your business bank account. Most importantly, they know Delaware's specific requirements and do it right the first time. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus Delaware's state filing fees. That's literally the cost of doing it yourself, but with professional help and Delaware expertise. So stop wasting time on paperwork. Use our link in the description. Get your Delaware LLC formed properly and start building your business today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more real business advice. I'll see you in the next video.